Good morning everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1. So our first question is given here are some figure. In this chapter we have studied about the polygon. Okay. So यहाँ पे हमें कुछ figures दे रखे हैं and we have to identify them on the basis of like it is simple curve, convex polygon, simple closed curve, concave polygon or polygon. Okay, so first figure is, you can see first you have simple curve you have to identify. So you can see this one is also a simple curve, you can draw it easily. Second is also a simple curve, you can also draw it easily. Now third is not a curve, okay, it is a circle. Fourth is also not a curve, it is a star. Fifth is you can see it is a simple curve, you can easily draw it. Okay, sixth is also a simple curve. Seventh is also a simple curve. Eighth is not a curve. Okay, second we have simple closed curve. Now we have to identify simple closed curve. तो close means जो कहीं से open ना हो. Okay, first one is a simple closed curve, you can see. Second is also a simple closed curve. Now third, if it is not a curve, how can it be a simple closed curve? Okay, so it is not included. Fourth is also not included. Fifth is a closed simple curve. Okay, sixth is also a simple closed curve. Seventh is also a simple closed curve. Eighth is not a curve, right? Now C part is polygon. We have to identify the polygon. As I already told you that polygon can be made by a straight line. Line segment से जो मिलकर बना हुआ diagram है, that is known as polygon. So you can say only 1 and 2 diagram are made by line segment. So 1 and 2 are the polygon. Now we have convex polygon. Convex polygon means which have diagonal interior. Okay, which have interior diagonals, then we can call it as a convex polygon. So it means only second will have the interior diagonal only. When we talk about first diagram, it will have exterior diagonal. Okay, अगर हम इसमें diagonal draw करेंगे तो we have to draw it like this. So this is not interior, this is exterior. And when we draw a diagonal in figure 2, it will be have like this. So this is the interior diagonal, then it means this is a convex polygon. And concave polygon I already told you, which have exterior diagonal. So this figure 1 is the concave polygon. Okay, now we have second question, how many diagonals does each of the following have? A convex quadrilateral. Quadrilateral can be made by, you know it very well, four sides. Okay, so if we are having 4 sides of any quadrilateral and we have to identify the total number of diagonals in it, so we can say there are only 2 diagonals. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. 2 diagonals will be AC and BD only. Okay, so a convex quadrilateral will have only 2 diagonals. Okay, second part of second question is a regular hexagon. When we have to draw a hexagon, okay, hexagon can be drawn like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is your hexagon and we have to identify how many diagonal it will have. So I am going to mark it by a straight line. Okay, you can see. Okay, so here we have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more we have to, this is 8 and 1 more, that you can say 1 more diagonal will be have from okay, I am again going to draw it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, total 6 side it is having. So this means this is hexagon. So 1 diagonal from here, second is from here, third is from here. Okay, now 4, 5. 6, okay, 7, fine, 8 and 9. So total 9 diagonal will be having in a regular hexagon. Okay, next is a triangle. We have to represent diagonal in a triangle. So as you know, this is a triangle and we are not going to have any diagonal because किसी भी vertices को हम किसी दूसरे vertices से नहीं मिला सकते हैं. Nearby vertices नहीं होना चाहिए, opposite vertices होना चाहिए. Okay, so triangle won't be having any diagonal. Okay, third question is examine what is the sum of measure of the angle of a convex quadrilateral. Okay, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? So as you know, a convex angle sum property of a convex quadrilateral will be like angle A. This, if this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So this is our convex quadrilateral. If we have to find the angle sum property, then this means angle A plus angle C plus angle D. This I already told you that will be equal to hoga 360 degree. Okay, so in any convex quadrilateral, the angle sum property will be equal to होगा 360 degree. Okay. Now इसी इक्वेशन के अंदर we have another part that कि अगर हमारा quadrilateral convex ना हो के concave हो तो this will be also the total angle of concave quadrilateral will be also 360 degree. How? You can say I am going to make a concave quadrilateral for you. So you can see this is a concave quadrilateral. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is T. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides it is having. Okay, so this is quadrilateral. It is having 4 vertices and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. So when we add the angle of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, this will be also equal to hoga 360 degree. That means angle sum property follows both on concave and convex quadrilateral. Okay. Now we have another question, question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is given into triangles and the sum of the angle deduct from that. So we have figure 1, that is triangle, figure 2 is quadrilateral, figure 5 is pentagon, figure 6 is hexagon. Okay, sides we have 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and angle sum property we have 180 degree, 2 into 180 degree, 3 into 180 degree and 4 into 180 degree. So the complete question is, what can you say about the angle sum of convex polygon with number of sides? So as we can see, the angle sum property can be find out by n minus 2 into 180. Okay, right? We can find out the angle sum property by using this formula. N is the number of sides of a polygon. So if n equals to 7, we will have 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, 7 minus 2 means 7 minus 2 that will be equal to hoga 900 degree. So we can easily find the angle sum of any polygon by using this formula. Okay. Now we have our next question. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon of 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides. Regular polygon means which have equal angle and equal sides. Okay, so if a figure is having 3 sides, so it means it will be having equilateral triangle. If a figure is having 4 sides, that it means it will having 4 sides, it means it is square. And if a figure is having 6 sides, that means it is regular hexagon. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 6, that is find the angle measure x in the following figure. We have to find the angle, like x अगर हमें given है कहीं पे तो हमें x को find out करना है. How we are going to find out? Suppose we take first figure, ठीक है, this is 50 degree, this is 130 degree, this is 120 degree and this is x. So as you know, this is quadrilateral because it is having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so angle sum of quadrilateral is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D, that will be equal to होगा 360 degree. And here we have a figure such as, this is our figure, you can see, okay, this is X, this is 120 degree, this is 130 degree, and this is 50 degree. Okay, so if we have to find the value of X, we have to first mark the angles. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, right? What we will do, angle A is 130 degree, right? We put the values in this equation. Angle B is 120 degree, angle C is X, and angle D is 50 degree. Okay, that will be equal to होगा 360 degree, right? When we add these three values, we will get 300. So we have 300 plus X equals to 360 degree, right? And easily we can find the value of X, that is 360 minus 300. So X is equals to होगा 60 degree. So this is our answer. We easily find out the value of X. Okay, now we have 7 questions. You can easily solve these 3 questions also. We have 7 questions such as, we have a figure and we have to find X plus Y plus Z. Okay, so we can easily find out. First we draw this figure in our notebook. So the figure is question number 7. We have to find the value of X plus Y plus Z. Okay, so our figure is, this is, you can say it is a kind of triangle. Okay, in our question we have, this is 30 degree, this is angle Z. Okay, here we have Y, here we have 90, and here we have X. So here we use the property of angle sum and linear angles, linear pairs. So as you can see here, we can find the value of X by, this is 180 degree. Linear pair क्या होता है? Every angle, okay, every 2 angle adjoining angle equal to होता है इनका angle sum 360 डिग्री, सॉरी 180 डिग्री. तो 90 प्लस एक्स भी हमारे पास क्या होगा? 180 डिग्री. तो वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, दैट इज 180 माइनस 90. सो एक्स इक्वल्स टू हो गया हमारे पास 90 डिग्री, राइट. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ जेड ऑल्सो. ये भी क्या है? लीनियर पेयर है. तो यहाँ पे भी जेड प्लस 30 डिग्री इक्वल टू होगा 180 डिग्री, राइट. सो ईजिली वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ जेड, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू होगा 180 डिग्री माइनस 30 डिग्री. सो जेड वी आर हैविंग इज 150 डिग्री. Now we have to find the value of y, but we don't know the value of this angle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so पहले हमें C को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. C को आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे? As you know, हमें ये एंगल पता होना चाहिए. So we mark it this C. ठीक है, ये C नहीं है, ये C. तो एंगल सम क्या होता है ट्राइंगल का? दैट इज़ 180 डिग्री. यानी कि एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इक्वल टू होगा 180 डिग्री. नाउ वी पुट द वैल्यूज. एंगल A इज़ 30 डिग्री, B is 90 degree, and C we marked it as C, that is 180 degree. तो C का वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आ गया? That is 90 plus 30, 180 minus 120 degree, then C is equals to हुआ हमारे पास 120 degree. Okay, now if we have C equals to 120 degree, तो Y का वैल्यू भी हम easily find out कर सकते हैं. तो Y plus C equals to होगा 180. बाई सी का वैल्यू हम इसमें पुट कर देते हैं, दैट इज़ 120 डिग्री, दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ओके, तो वाई हमारे पास हो गया 180 माइनस 120 इक्वल्स टू सॉरी 180 माइनस 120 हमारे पास होगा 60 डिग्री. सॉरी, दिस इज 60 डिग्री एंड 180 माइनस 60 हमें करना है. ओके, तो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू होगा 120 डिग्री. ओके, अब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड. वी हैव x इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री, वी हैव y इक्वल्स टू 120 डिग्री, एंड वी हैव z इक्वल्स टू 150 डिग्री. सो टोटल x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड वी विल गेट एज 360 डिग्री. दिस इज आवर आंसर. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू एवरीवन.